Well, I didn't expect a cop watch this early. He's got the guy on the curb with his trunk open. So is he going through the car? No. Oh no, his trunk's not open. He's got a lawnmower back there. Writing him a ticket. Probably for the lawnmower. He's got a lawnmower sticking out. That's probably what the citation's for. I guess that's illegal. I can't see his tag though on his license plate. If it's current or not. Oh, it's North Carolina, huh? That's what it looks like. North Carolina. This here ain't North Kakalaki. That's why he doesn't have a sticker on the back. This one's California exempt. That's why he doesn't have a sticker on the back, because they put them on the front windshield in North Carolina. Well, they did when I was there. This was back in the 80s. I'm sure they still do. They do it in Texas. They put them, a sticker on the front windshield. Here in California, we get a little sticker to put on the back license plate so the police officer can see it nice and clearly. I didn't expect to get a cop watch this early. But, as I've always said, when you see flashing lights like that, pull over, get out, get your phone, start recording. You just might save someone's life or keep someone out of handcuffs. At least he's smiling. When you're laughing, oh, when you're laughing, when you're smiling, the world smiles with you. So I guess he's explaining what the citation's for. Which I'm sure it's got to be for the lawnmower hanging out of the back of it. Or maybe not, I don't know. Was he telling him to park it or something? Can't drive it like that? I don't know. He's sure pointing over at the parking lot here though. So he'll, oh yeah, I told him to pull it in here. Where's he going? Let's see where he's going. Stops at the red light. I'm just watching to see where the cop is going.